Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply for several courses on Coursera, and also I'll be guiding you through on how to apply for financial aid in case you don't have enough to buy or register for a course. So let's say for instance now you want to apply for this course here. You might want to create an account if you don't have an account before on Coursera, and after creating an account you log in. It's a simple step. Then you go to the course you want to gain certificate on, like this. Let's say you want to apply for Google automation with Python. Then you click on it. So after clicking on it, you see enroll for free here, and it's also showing the date where the course is going to be starting. Once you click on enroll for free, it's telling you that you have unlimited access to all courses in the professional certificate and all this, and start for free. And this will take you to a page whereby you'll be asked to pay, and the amount for this course is 20 US dollars. So, but that's not what we want to do. We want to apply for financial aid that will actually reduce the price, or sometimes they can actually give you the course for free. So let's go back. So after going back now, then you scroll down. After scrolling down, there's this section here where you see more questions. Visit the learner help center. You will see a small button here which is learn more, financial aid available, learn more. Then you click on it. So this will show you the section of the course. This course has 7 sections. Then you start applying for financial aid for each section. Once you are done with each section, let's say maybe you're about to be done maybe a week to completion of the course, then you are going to be clicking on the other course, which is the second course, for you to apply for the financial aid. So before the other course, before they actually approve the financial course or the other course, you'll have been done with the the first course you actually registered and that has been approved. Then you click on next. You go to continue to application. So you pick here if you have a college degree or high school diploma, stuff like that. You click, and also your annual income here. You choose USD. Your employment status, whether you're a student or you're unemployed or you are full time, you apply. Then you give the reason for you applying for the financial aid. So after you've done that, you click on I've reviewed my information and everything is up to date. Then you click on next. So once you click on next, then you see how much can you pay for the selected course. You just want to say $0. So how will you select? How will your selected course help you with this goal? Then you have to write 150 word about. You explain how this course will actually benefit your career. So just use simple English, be genuine and be specific, and also be clear with what you want to do. Also, in terms and condition, you check the box, and after you've done that, you repeat the same thing that's been written here. I agree to the terms above, word for word, the way they actually write, where there is uppercase, use uppercase, and also. So you click on I'm not a robot. Then you click on review. So once you click on this review, this button will turn blue once you fill everything and you are done with it. Then you click on review. After you click on review, then it will take you to another page. So let's say for example now I like um I want to grow my career. For example now, I type here I agree the same way they actually typed it there. They wrote it there. I agree to the terms above. So this one is actually telling me to let's say 150 word. So once you've written up to 150 word here, and you check all the boxes, then you are ready to go. So the next thing is to click on review, and then you submit your application. So once you submit the application now, then you can see success, receive your appli application. So you can review your financial aid here. You can see now course crash course on Python processing. So yeah, yeah, they're going to get back to me by September 24th to actually see if they will approve it or not. Okay, you get. So most time the least they can actually ask you to pay is pay the 10% of the cost, which is still a good deal for you. And that's it. That's how you can apply for financial aid on Coursera. So if this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application. Thank you.